Welcome to Woodworking Fever More. Today's project, I am building two guitar holders. So this is the guitar that my father-in-law had that we gave to our son, so that way he can, I guess, play. I know it's pink, but that way he can play with it and see if he likes to play guitar, and then if he would be interested enough in playing the guitar, we would buy him a professional one. Since this one's laying around, this one will do. I know it's pink again. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to build a stand for this, or something I can hang on the wall. So I've been playing around and I built something like this, and basically I was just testing it out how it would fit. And then I made a paper template where I copied one of the sides, and then I cut it out halfway, I folded it, and I ended up copying it on the other side. It's close to perfect, better than me drawing both sides. And then I'm gonna put this on a piece of wood and trace it out. So what I have here is a piece of what used to be a pallet that I found. I don't remember, I find a lot of pallets. And I'm gonna use my table saw. I'm gonna take off all the rough edges, and I'm gonna glue this on and cut it out. This is gonna be the horizontal part, and I'm gonna have another vertical part that's gonna attach to the wall. Let's take this rough edges off on the table saw. So I ended up tracing another one. This one's a little bit harder, a little bit thicker paper than this one, so that way I can glue it on a little bit better. Thank you for joining me today on this project building the 2 guitar holders that you mount to the wall. If you have any questions, please ask in the description down below. I will do my best to answer anybody's question. I have affiliate links of all the tools that I have or the similar tools that I use in the description down below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next project.